Welcome back to some business news. Telco service provider Safaricom has recorded a 34.2 billion shillings net for the 6 months ending September 30th, representing a bounce back to profitability of 2.1%. As Jimmy Mbogo now reports, the forex volatility, rising interest rates and a weakening Kenyan shilling remain a headache for the telco's leadership. On the other hand, Ethiopia's expansion continues to show great potential, outperforming Kenya in mobile data usage per customer owing to its young population.
The rising cost of living in the country continues to push more Kenyans into debt, with the latest number from Safaricom indicating that there has been an increase in the number of users registered for the telco's overdraft facility Fuliza. The numbers for the half year ending September 30th stood at 7.5 million returned customers, while the disbursements increased to nearly ½ trillion shillings, this coming at a time when the overall contribution of Fuliza to the company's bottom line dropped owing to lower lending rates.
If you exclude Fuliza, our financial services revenue grew double-digit. Although even for Fuliza, the value of disbursements went up by 33% and ended at 419 billion for the half year 2024. Now, of course, this is possible because we made Fuliza affordable and also fit for solution to the market.
The group, however, recorded strong growth in profitability for the 6 months to September 30th, with the Kenya business hitting double-digit growth in net income of 10.9% to stand at 41.6 billion shillings. Coming on the back of strong service revenue, which grew by 9.9% to stand at 159.1 billion shillings, while the company's cash cow M-Pesa registered positive revenue growth of 12.1% to 66.2 billion shillings.
The ecosystem continued to expand, with the total value and the volumes of M-Pesa transactions growing by 1.1% and 34.7% year-on-year, reaching 18.3 trillion Kenya shilling and 12.9 billion transactions respectively. So value increased to 18.3 trillion Kenya shilling and volumes grew to 12.9 billion transactions.
According to the telco, its Ethiopian operation has registered significant growth, boosted by an accelerated commercial momentum, including M-Pesa rollout, which has seen the company register over 1.2 million customers on the platform in less than 2 months, while on the month of September, the country's data usage also improved to stand higher than that of Kenya, having closed at 4.3 gigabytes per customer compared to 3.7 for Kenya.
We are particularly encouraged by the usage levels in mobile data. Such levels have only been realized in Kenya after 10 years of operations. On network, we have rolled out just over 2,000 sites as at the end of 30th September. This is equivalent to about a third of the network that we have in Kenya.
Safaricom, however, remains cautiously optimistic about the state of the economy, noting that it's implementing mechanism to cushion the company against forex losses, with the shilling depreciation against the US dollar remaining a key pain point for the telco. Jimmy Mbogo, KTN News.
Milk processor Brookside Dairy has